So welcome to my channel, and we will talk about solid environmental and toxic and hazardous waste treatment. So first, what is solid environmental? Solid waste means any garbage, refuse, sludge from a wastewater treatment plant, water supply treatment plant, or air pollution control facility, and other discarded materials including solid, liquid, semi-solid, or contained gaseous material resulting from industrial, commercial, mining, and agricultural operations and from community activities, but does not include solid or dissolved materials in domestic sewage or solid or dissolved materials in irrigation return flows or industrial discharges. So in simple words, solid waste are any discarded or abandoned materials. Solid waste can be solid, liquid, semi-solid, or containerized gaseous material. So example of solid waste are include the following: waste stars, septage, scrap metal, latex paper, furniture and toys, garbage, appliances and vehicles, oils and antifreeze, MV aerosol cans, paint cans and infrared cylinders, construction and demolition debris, asbestos. So material is discarded if it is abandoned by being disposed of or burned off, incinerated, including being burned as a fuel for the purpose of gathering usable energy, or accumulated, stored, or physically and chemically or biologically treated other than burned or incinerated instead of or before being disposed of. So a material is disposed of, it is discharged, deposited, injected, dumped, spilled, leaked, or placed into or any land or water, so that such materials or any constituent thereof may enter the environment or be emitted into the air or discharges into groundwater or surface water. So construction and demolition debris means uncontaminated solid waste resulting from a construction, remodeling, repair, and demolitions of utilities, structures, and roads. So you can read those things. So solid waste that is not C and D debris resulting from construction, modern repair, and demolition of utility structures and roads and lands cleaning. So specifically excluded from the definition of construction and demolition debris is solid waste, including what otherwise would be construction and demolition debris resulting from any processing techniques other than the employed at department. So toxic and hazardous waste treatment. So hazardous waste management, the collection, treatment, and disposal of waste material that when improperly handled can cause substantial harm to human health and safety or to the environment. Hazardous waste can take the form of solid, liquid, sludges, or contain gases, and they are generated primarily by chemical production, manufacturing, and other industrial activities. They may cause damage during inadequate storage, transportation, treatment, or disposal of operations. So improper hazardous waste storage or disposal frequently contaminate surface and groundwater supplies. So hazardous waste characteristics. So wastes are classified on basis of their biological, chemical, and physical properties. So toxic wastes are poisons even in a very small or trace amounts. They may have acute effects causing death or violent illness, or they may have chronic effects slowly causing irreparable harm. Some are carcinogenic, causing cancer after many years or exposure. Other are mutagenic, causing major biological changes in the offspring of exposed humans and wildlife. So transport of hazardous waste. So hazardous waste generated at a particular site often requires transport to an approved treatment, storage, or disposal facility because of potential threats to public safety and the environmental. Transport is given special attention by governmental agency. So transport vehicles, hazardous waste is generally transported by truck over public highways. Only a very small amount is transported by rail and almost none is moved by air or inland waterway. So treatment, storage, and disposal. Several options are available for hazardous waste management. The most desirable is to reduce the quantity of waste at its source to recycle the material for some other productive use. Nevertheless, while reduction and recycling are a desirable option, they are not regarded as the final remedy to the problem of hazardous waste disposal. There will always be a need for a treatment and for storage or disposal of some amount of hazardous waste. So treatment hazardous waste can be treated by chemical, thermal, biological, and physical methods. So thank you for watching, guys. So for more info, you may read it carefully, the slides and watch it so that you will understand more. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy, guys. Mwah mwah.